This is a 10-minute walking at home workout with Lucy. So it's an indoor walking workout. I picked you some of the best walking exercises. So if you're ready to start walking at home, let's get started. So just follow along, and the first move we're going to do is just give me this walking step across. You're just going to tap the foot slightly over. Now you can see here we've got your countdown clock of 10 minutes on the left. That represents how long we're doing each of these walking exercises. So approximately doing it for 30 seconds, and every 30 seconds we'll change the move. So if you can, just add in those arms, and this walking tap out is really good to work through the waist, also really targets those inner thighs. So let's just keep going from side to side. Now this time, just give me this little side step and add in those swing arms. So the idea is today we're just going to do this 10-minute walking at home workout non-stop. And let's just keep going. So it's just doing that side step and just give me that straight arm swing. And this is just a really lovely lateral move. So this is really good. Now we're toning the arms and the legs. All right, so let's have a look at your next one. This time now, just tap that foot slightly behind, but swing both arms across. So what we're doing here, now I'm toning through your shoulders. This is also really good for the waist. And again, it's just non-stop low impact cardio. All of these walking exercises are really knee friendly as well. So just swing those arms across, keeping that going. So we're just walking at home. And so for your next one, we're going to march, but this time just push your arms out to the side. So it's a bit of a V shape. And again here, this is great for really now working through the triceps, those underneath part of the arms. So we're toning those, plus working the shoulders, yet we're still doing those indoor steps. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. 30 seconds, each 30 seconds, we're just changing that move. And for this one now, what I want you to do is just squeeze that leg behind and just open up through the arms. So this one here is really lovely. What I'm really doing now is really working through the glutes. So we're strengthening your glutes, we're strengthening those hamstrings. And the upper body exercise here is really lovely to enhance your posture as well. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. Nice control. Squeeze through those arms, and you can move around the room. You don't have to do it on the spot. Make the most of the room that you've got. All right, so for next one, just give me a high knee lift, and if you can, just travel that forwards. So just go 4 high knee lifts, travel that forwards, and then just take that back. That's good. Just keep driving that knee up, alternating the legs and just reaching those arms over. Always just make sure you land nice and softly on those heels. All right, so for your next one, let's just take that to a super fast walk. So how my indoor walking workouts support you on your health journey is there are so many ways, because you can do them at any time of the day. It doesn't matter what the weather's like. They are low impact and joint friendly. They improve your cardiovascular health. It also helps with weight management as well, but plus it's great for boosting that mental well-being. All right, so for your next one, this time now, let's just go for this half low impact start. So just tap that foot out. It also is amazing indoor walking for enhancing your bone and muscular strength, improves balance, coordination, even supports digestive health, increases energy level, and promotes consistent habits. And that's key. That's what we want on our health journey, to be exercising daily. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going, tapping that foot and that arm out. And now this time, what I want you to do is just step it out wide. So you're doing a wide step and just draw that knee up. And my job as your qualified trainer, I've been teaching for over 30 years, is to give you these free workouts that you can do every single day at home, just to maintain and focus on your health. All right, that's good. So drive that knee up, keep that going. This one, again, you'll really feel this working through your core. Keep that upper body nice and tall. So for this one, all I want you to do is just give me that heel extension in front, not in French, and just bend through those arms. And you can just add this little bit of a circular move. Just go from one side of the room to the other. And the idea is you could do this in your pajamas. You don't even need to be in workout gear. And because we're using body weight, these exercises are safe on your joints. All right, so let's bring it back to a fast power march. And do you want to know the good news? We are now halfway through this workout. So let's just keep going. And the great thing is this is just 10 minutes walking at home, but you could do this workout with me in the morning. Then you could do it later in the day. You don't have to have me talking. You've heard me instruct once. So when you do it later, why not put on 2 of your favourite songs and do it to some music? All right, that's good. Just keep going, landing softly on your feet. So for this one, let's just go for some power knee drives. So let's drive those knees up nice and fast, also using the arms. And this is where we don't need to be doing the high impact. We don't need to be lifting weights because that wear and tears on the joints. These are all safe. Our body is just designed to move naturally. And this is the most natural form of exercise we can do. All right, that's good. Keep that going. Keep that upper body straight. Driving those knees up. So next move, just give me some little kicks and just give me those punching arms and just keep smiling. This is all about having fun. And while you're here right now with me, let's just be grateful that we can move our bodies. And it's never about what our bodies look like. Who cares? It's about how we feel. We just want to feel energized, healthy, fit and strong. So just keep giving me those punches. Kick that leg in front. Doing really well. All right, so for this one now, let's just do a side step and just imagine we're pulling something in with your arms. And how you're working really hard today. We're not having any rest. We don't want to be doing these workouts where we work for 30 and then stop for 30 because then the heart rate comes right down. We want to be consistent. So we're really strengthening the most important muscle of all, your heart, working on your cardiovascular health. Okay, so for next one, let's just go to that really, really fast power march now. Again, land softly. If you've got enough room at home, you could just keep walking from one end of the room to the other. Just keeping that going. That's good. And if you have worn anything that said how many steps, when you finish the workout, just let me know in the comments down below how many steps that you did in this 10-minute walking at home workout today. All right, so next one, let's step forwards to a knee lift. So you kind of travel forwards, knee lift, give me that knee lift. So here, just think of all the muscle groups that are working the hamstrings, working the quads, working your glutes, abs, arms. All these indoor walking exercises are total body moves. So this is where it's going to be great to really increase your metabolic rate. So naturally your body will be burning more calories at a higher rate. And that's good, keeping that going. All right, so next one, tap that foot behind. Just imagine we're pushing a door shut now. So working a little bit more through your back, through the latissimus dorsi, those big muscles either side of your back. And push that in front. Just tapping that foot slightly behind. Extend with those arms. Nice and easy. So as I said, you don't need to be in workout gear. You could be in pajamas. You could even be in the office. Just get everyone standing up and doing this workout. And then let's just march on the spot. Let's just keep going. So we've just got 3 little walking exercises left to go. And as I said, on these bits, you can just walk around the room, walk forwards, backwards, walk to each different corner of the room. Just make sure those heels are landing softly. Just walk nice and tall with a good posture. And for your next one, this time now, just tap that foot behind and give me that straight arm. So I call this one cross-country skiing. It's a really lovely dynamic move, great for your shoulder health as well. So working through the deltoid, through the shoulders. And just keep tapping that foot behind. That's good. Last little bit today. Let's just keep going to the end. You've done really well, and you should be super proud that you're taking control of your future health. All right, so for your last move, this time now, just give me these big sunshine arms, just give me that little side step, and just really enjoy the fact you've moved your body, you're able to move your body. And let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed this workout. Also, if you want more walking ones, it's great to hear also just how you're getting on on your health journey. Let's just keep going right until the end, just to make sure that we have fully completed that 10-minute walking at home workout. So well done. Now what you could do while you're warm, do you want to quickly do a 5-minute standing ab workout with me? If yes, just click there, we'll get straight into it. If you're finished for today, click in the description down below for my cool down stretch. There's your high five. Well done, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.